guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look. It's an olive green eye look using the So Jaded Kathleen Lights X Colourpop palette, and this is what she looks like. You guys can see I'm going to be using the olive tones in here just to create a very simple look, like you guys see the one that I have on this eye. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this is a super simple look, by the way, so like don't be scared. Alright, the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my ABH eye primer. You guys have already seen it. By the way, I'm sorry if you guys are tired of seeing my chipped ass white nails, but I got like a gel manicure and I don't know if she put some mint on my nails, but this shit's hard as fuck to get off. It's like a really hard nail polish to get off, so just going to be applying some on my eyelid, and I'm just going to take my Miss A brush, this flat brush, and I'm just going to be taking that to clean up underneath the brows. So once I got the shape down, I'm just going to use that same flat brush to kind of distribute the eye primer. And I'm going to be using that brush to blend that base, kind of just like setting it. And then if I find I need a little bit more, I'll just go ahead and take it onto my lid, just like whatever's left on the tip. There's usually some product left on there. I'm just gonna pat that onto my lid. Alright, so for the first shade that I'm going to be taking from the palette, I'm going to be using this shade right here called Jade. This is a Coastal Scents BR250. And I'm literally just going to take Jade and apply it from the outer corner of my... I'm just going to be taking Jade from my outer corner all the way to the inner corner. Lid that I'm content with. And I'm going to be taking the shade called Stoned, which is this shade right here. Taking that shade, I'm just going to be applying it to my outer corner. And then once again, just getting some more of that Jade shade and mixing those two colors together. Well, blending those two colors together on my eyes. I'm going to be grabbing this e.l.f. concealer brush with some of the primer. And I'm just going to be applying that to the back of my hand. Just like that much. Just that way I have enough primer to work with whenever I cut my crease. So I'm just gonna take some of that and go to town basically. So pretty much once I get there, I'm just going to take that Real Techniques brush, like I said, just kind of patting around the edges, getting this freaking primer. I'm going to just be patting that primer down. And I'm going to be taking this small little flat shader, and I'm going to go into the shade called Peridot, which is this shade right here. If you don't wet the brush, you are going to have a little bit of fallout, but if you do, I don't think you should have a problem. Me personally, I like to just go with it with a tacky base. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of stone and blend it into the outer corner. And then just taking some more Peridot and just kind of adding an additional layer so that way I don't lose any of that pigment. Cool. So now that I'm done with that eye, I'm just going to go ahead and clean out the fallout. Zoom you guys a little bit out. I'm just going to go and do curl my lashes and apply my falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm going to be taking the Hangover RX primer from Too Faced. I just got this, so I'm kind of excited to try it out. I think I applied too much. It smells so good. I got a sample size of this once. I received a sample size of this once, and I've been wanting to get to full size, so I took advantage that Ulta was having 50% off sale on it, so yeah. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to be using these drops. These are the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Pigments. I got this the last time Ulta was having a sale, so I'm literally just going to be applying this onto my face, and then taking my beauty blender I'm just going to be applying this to my face. Okay guys, so I just blended that in, the Milani concealer. Just making sure I get into like the edges so that way there's no like spaces anywhere. And just kind of carefully going into the outer corner. If it looks a little wonky, we can always go in and kind of blend it a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and bake. And for that, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. Just taking this BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a little teal color. I don't even know if this brush set's available anymore, but I'm literally just going to just kind of like squint my eyes to avoid setting any creases. And just going to be applying that quickly underneath my eyes, because that's where I tend to crease. I got hella powder on my freaking phone. So once I have my whole face set, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bronzer and stuff. I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I've been using the Fenty one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one because this was at one point my go-to. So yeah, even has like a new heart little click thingy closure. And as you guys can see, it says chocolate matte. I don't think it said that in the other one. I just think it was regular. I'm just going to be using this Colourpop F1 brush. So it looks like this. Just going to take some of that bronzer just to warm up my face. I'm so excited for fall time. Like, I don't know, I guess the holidays and stuff. Even though I go back to work during like when all the holidays are about to start, but I think that just makes everything like more exciting. So I'm just gonna take like a small brush and just go on the sides of my nose. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pool Party. This shade. Just going to be using my Wet n Wild little, what is this? I don't know what it's called, but it's like a pointed brush. Came in one of their sets. Kind of using Jade to apply the color. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of Jade, and on a pencil brush I'm just gonna run that underneath of my eyes and connecting it to the outer corner. I'm just gonna take this Juvia's Place brush. It's like a Neapolitan ice cream looking brush, and I'm literally just using that to apply some of Mary Luminizer onto my inner corner. And I'm just going to take the Makeup Shack T12 brush and using that to apply some highlighter onto my cheeks. I'm just going to take this one from AOA. I'm just going to do the tips of my nails and the bridge. I'm just going to be setting my face. Okay, and then I'm just going to be, while my face is still a little bit tacky, I'm just going to be applying some more of that Mary Lou just on the high points of my face. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just the look that I have on. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you guys are always up to date on when I upload. If you guys have been liking my videos, I truly from the bottom of my heart do appreciate it, and I hope that you guys are enjoying all the content that I'm putting out. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.